Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view Instagram stories without them knowing, and now let's dive right in. Now to view Instagram stories without them knowing, first open up your Instagram app guys with the net connection on. So I had turned it off, so let's turn it back on. And after you turn on the internet connection on your phone, let's wait for it guys. First reload your Instagram and make sure that all of the stories currently on Instagram are loaded by reloading it, and it will gather up all of the data over here. Now in order to proceed from over here guys, first you'll be required to disconnect your internet. To do that guys, simply turn on the airplane mode and it will disconnect any type of internet connecting to your phone. So after the airplane mode has been turned on, restart your Instagram app. And over here guys, and from over here you'll be able to view the stories on your Instagram. You can see since the internet is not connected on your phone, these activities will not be recorded by Instagram until turned on. So after viewing the stories which you want to without them knowing on Instagram, you can simply close the Instagram off and turn back the internet and again go to Instagram and be online. This way guys, after closing the Instagram, the activity or the data will be clear, cache will be cleared, which Instagram was supposed to post. And this way guys, you will be able to view Instagram stories without them knowing. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.